Hello students, welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 6 subject science chapter 2. But inside chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is components of food. So inside chapter 2 components of food, today I am going to describe the topic components of food. But inside topic components of food, we have explained in my previous video carbohydrate, fat, proteins. I have explained in my previous video carbohydrate, fat and proteins. But now in this video I am going to describe vitamins, minerals, fiber and water. So first of all about vitamins. So vitamins are very important for proper functioning of our body. Vitamins are essential component of food. Vitamins are very important component of food for our body, and these required in very small quantities. So vitamins are required in very small quantities in comparison to carbohydrate, fat, protein. If we compare between carbohydrates, fat, protein with vitamins, then vitamins are required in the body in very small quantities. Then they are known as protective food. So vitamins are also falls in the category of protective food, because foods have three categories: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. So hence vitamins are falls in the category of protective foods, as vitamins protect our body from diseases and helps in keeping our bones, teeth, gums and eyes healthy. So vitamins are of several kinds, like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D and so on, several kinds. Our body needs all these vitamins in small quantities. Each vitamins play a specific role in our body, as vitamin A keeps the eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin B helps in releasing energy and formation of blood cells in the body. Vitamin C keeps the teeth, gum and bones healthy. And vitamin D makes our bones and teeth strong. Vitamin E keeps our body and skin healthy, and vitamin K helps clotting of blood. So now I am going to describe minerals. So just like vitamin, minerals are also protective food. Just like vitamins, minerals are also protective food, because they protect us from diseases and they help our body to remain healthy. They are also required in small quantities like vitamins. Some important minerals include calcium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and iodine, etc. Iron and iodine, etc. Once again, try to understand the minerals, name of minerals: calcium, potassium, sodium, iron and iodine also. So sources of some minerals, as calcium and phosphorus, are essential for proper formation of bones and teeth. With the help of calcium, and phosphorus, our bones and teeth become strong. And milk, egg, cheese and pulses are rich in these two minerals. Milk also contains calcium and phosphorus. Pulses, cheese are rich in these two minerals. Iron is essential for the formation of hemoglobin. Iron is essential for the formation of hemoglobin, the pigment present in the RBC. Hemoglobin is a pigment present in the RBC, red blood corpuscles cells. Deficiency of hemoglobin causes anemia. If hemoglobin will be less in the body, that means the blood less in the body, then person suffering from anemia disease. So what happen after this? Green leafy vegetable, eggs, nuts, pea and livers are good sources of iron. Green leafy vegetable, eggs, nuts, peas and liver of animals are good sources of iron. Iodine is also necessary for keeping the body healthy. Iodine is a mineral which is necessary for the keeping body healthy, and its deficiency leads to disease called goiter. The neck will be swollen in this disease, in the goiter. So iodized salt, fish and seafood are the sources of iodine. So now I am going to describe fiber. Fiber is also called roughage. Fiber has no nutritive value, but it is needed by our body and perform the following function. So fiber prevents us from constipation and assist process of digestion and helps to get rid of digested food. That means it helps to get rid of undigested food. That means help in digestion. Roughage is provided by the plant product in our food. Its main source are vegetable, just like carrot, cabbage, fruits, apple, peaches, whole grains, wheat, rice and pulses contain fiber, which help in the get rid of constipation and help in the digestion. So now I am going to describe about water. So about water we will learn in my next video. So I think that is much enough. Thanks.